everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We got a box in the mail today. Perfect timing and a perfect location for this box. If it's what I think it is. If it's not, then I'm wrong, and this is not the perfect location. Oh yeah, this is something your mom wanted. Can you hold him for me? Well, that's good packing material.
I want this.
We have here, put them back in the box for me, please. Alright, let's see here.
Why is it not a box?
It's a box in a box. Makes the fun last longer. See? There we go. Try not to cut too deep into the box. Oh, look, it comes in a toolbox, Melanie. Alright, pull that out of there. Lift it. Pull it. Pull it. It's heavy. Ah,
Oh, that's cool.
that is cool. Alright, what we have here is something that Melanie wanted, and I didn't know what she was talking about, and out of the blue, I got a contact from a company saying, would you like to review this? This is, hope I say it right, a Natiddy handheld chainsaw. A mini chainsaw. How cool is that? So, well, look at this. Some gloves.
It matches me.
There's a screwdriver. Oh, look at that, huh? How cool is that? There's a screwdriver.
It matches me.
There's a chainsaw. There's some work glasses. Oh, look, spare chain. So there's two chains right off the start.
Yeah.
Slow down, one thing at a time. I got to tell them about it. There's a handheld chainsaw that Melanie has been dreaming about. One thing at a time. How cool is that? It's lightweight and convenient. Melanie, you can check that out while I'm opening the other stuff. All right, Michelle, what's next? Okay, we've got not one, but two batteries, which is great. So we've got extra work time, two chains, and two batteries. I like that fact. You don't always get that anymore these days. That's a guard, Melanie. And a charger. And protective glasses. So we're going to actually put this to use right away. Melanie has been itching to get this. So we can, she can trim up the brush and help get rid of this stuff. So we're going to take these in and charge them up.
With the stars.
And we'll put this thing to use. That is a screwdriver for tightening things.
Where that end goes.
Where it goes, we'll figure that out when we read the instructions. That's what these are about. So we'll see you guys in a while with this charged up. Ready?
Yes.
Here's your tool. Melanie's itching to try this out. Oh.
That's fast.
You like it, don't you?
Yeah, that's fast.
Look at that. Now we can clear the brush pile faster. That is so much better. She's tired of dragging this stuff around while I'm running the chainsaw. That is fast. You're right. That is fast. That is nice. Oops, if you get there, you get pressure on you, got to relieve the pressure. And I wouldn't advise upside down, you'll shoot yourself in the eye with chips.
Oh, okay.
But nice, huh? I can tell she's happy. I can tell she's happy.
That is fast.
It's nice. That's going to help so much. Oh, I think this tool is going to get a hardcore workout on this property. Every time we're cutting trees and clearing brush, Melanie's going to be using this. It is good. It is powerful. I'm surprised the power of it. Really amazing, the power of it. This is great for making stickers quick and easy for my lumber. Faster than going to the wood shop to use a saw. It's quick and easy. So, after using your mini chainsaw for a while, your blade is going to come loose, which is a normal thing with any chainsaw. And so you have to tighten it. And to do so, you loosen up the tightening nut here. Take the screwdriver they give you. I should actually remove the battery for safety since this is a video demonstration. Not that I'm going to press any buttons, but safety first, right? Okay, and then you can tighten it. There's a screw down in here. It's awkward because I'm on video. I'm trying to be on camera and not block the camera. You tighten that screw and tighten the chain tension. With a new chain, it's going to loosen up as you use it, and that's just natural. Much better. They give you everything you need, and don't forget to retighten your cover here. And now it's ready to go again. This is powerful. This is a really powerful tool. Now this is not in the manual that I saw, but something that's going to greatly extend the life of your chain is some actual bar and chain oil for a chainsaw. You can get a smaller container. I just happen to have this because I use my chainsaw heavily here. Now it's a small chain, so I don't need a lot, so I'm using a stick to apply it. I just want to get some on there. I don't want to make a whole mess, but if you moisten that with this special bar and chain oil, then you're going to greatly extend the life of your bar and your chain. And I believe that's a bonus. I'm doing this on video, so it's a bit awkward. I'm sure there's a better way. I'll get an applicator for this. I'll get a little oiling can and keep some of this in here. Let me spin that a little to get I gotta get a fresh spot. Actually, that lubed itself up pretty good. There's a dry spot. Try to get spin it around to a dry spot. Try to lube that all up. It's just going to greatly extend the life of your parts, that's all. Now that should be good. And when you spin your chainsaw, you should see the stuff flying off. And every once in a while re-lube it, and that'll really make a difference. Hey guys, I hate cutting trees, but this is shading my strawberry and raspberry bed, so I'm gonna have to take this out. I'm probably gonna top it first, do this in 2 steps so it doesn't get in the way because I'm on camera. And all that gets recycled. Nothing goes to waste on the Homestead. This is an amazing tool. Really, really good. This is great for trimming branches that have grown out of the way. I always hit this when I walk around here or drive through with my mower. really cuts fast. I'm very impressed with this thing. There's another one here I'm always hitting with my head. Actually, all these gotta go because I'm coming around here all the time. Hit me in the head all the time. There we go. That helps a lot. And then chop that up to manageable size. One thing I'll note, for safety's sake, when you're cutting a branch, don't cut towards you. It will cut you. So just be careful. Always keep it away from you and make sure you're aware of where that is and where your hand is at all times when you work, just to be safe. Oh, this stuff is gnarly. One thing I'd like to note, when sawing with this, I'm trying to clear the branches so I can show you what I'm trying to show you. It's easier to work if you get it right up close to the guard before you start your cut. Get the chain running before you go into the cut. If you start right here, it's going to snag. If you start with the chain against the wood, it's going to snag and catch. If you get your saw running and then go into the cut with the guard edge here, it stops it from jerking and bouncing around on you, and it's a lot safer cutting. It's a really safe tool if you're careful with it. If it jams from time to time, just give it a little lift. The wood may catch a little on the blade, but that's no big deal. But it's surprisingly powerful and impressive considering its size. So the Natiddy handheld chainsaw is a really awesome tool to have on a homestead. I never realized that I needed one of these until they sent me one. It's just for cleanups like this, it's so much quicker to grab this than it is to fire up your chainsaw and put gas and oil in it and your safety gear and equipment and everything. By the way, I do have steel toe boots on when I work, but I don't plan on swinging this around by my feet. This is a lot safer than a full-powered chainsaw, and even Melanie, who is relatively small, can use this and loves it. Actually, when I'm done with this video review, I have to give it back to her. She says this is hers. She loves it so much. Actually, I didn't show you, but she's building a pallet wood house for her and Michelle to play in, using this to cut the wood. It's really impressive what this can do, and just after every use, keep that chain and bar lubed up for extended life of both. And also, by the way, I forgot to mention, you can sharpen chains. You can take them into your local hardware store. A lot of hardware stores will sharpen the chain for you quite a few times. So that I'd like to mention to you, to extend the life of the chains that come with it and save you a lot of money. Keep everything lubed. Also, if you ever get any junk build up in here, just unscrew it, the cover, take the cover off, clean any junk out, put the cover back on. Make sure your chain is always proper tightness. Let me take that off before I start touching that. Just don't want it to You don't want it too tight, you don't want it too loose. I just look if I can pull it off a little bit with my fingers and it doesn't get hot when you're using it, then you're pretty good. But you do those things and that'll last you for years and save you a lot of money. This is a really amazing tool. It does have a wrench. It's got a hex wrench and a screwdriver built into the handle for convenience. Of course, you saw the parts it does come with as well. So while you're in the field, you can adjust the tension on the fly if you don't happen to be at home with it. You can take this out in the woods. If I need to go out in the woods and clear some junk out of my trails, stuff that is falling down, this will cut 3-4 inches with ease. A while back I cleared a stump that was on the ground. I kept hitting with my lawnmower. That might have been 4 inches. I finally got rid of it with this and cut right through it. So I'm very pleased. Check out the links down below and get yourself one. I have never been so excited about a tool for the homestead and used so much a tool I didn't know I needed until I got this. I am incredibly impressed with this thing, and we use it almost every day here. I mean, we've got 18 anchors, and it's just so quick to grab and go. I love it. Well, guys, check out the links. There's a discount code below as well. Get yourself one. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming next to the homestead. Go ahead and get one. I love it.